So you may be wondering how you're going to use Glogster. So the first thing you'll do is after you get an account, you'll click on the button that tells you or tells the service that you want to create a new glog. You notice up at the top it automatically gives it a name, and you'll probably want to change that. And so I'm going to call it David Weaver's. How about second weekly? And so you know that if you are pursuing a C, that you need a textual description of what you did, what you learned from what you did, and what questions you have about what you did, or what connections you made to things you already knew. So just as we talked about in class, being metacognitive, just thinking about your thinking a bit. So anyways, if you're going for a B, then you would do a pod or a vodcast, and if you are going to do that, you're going to need something like, if you want to just do a podcast, create an MP3 of your voice. There are a variety of free pieces of software out there that allow you to do that. My favorite is Audacity, and so it's free, and it takes a little bit to set stuff up, but you can do all sorts of things with it, as you might see here shortly. And if you're pursuing an A, it needs to be multimedia, and when I say multimedia, that means there should be some sound, some visual, and some text. So I'm going to operate under the assumption that that's what we're doing. Pursuing an A, I'm going to get rid of the stuff that is here already and just start fresh. And so I'm going to go ahead and put in image, and so to do that, what I need to be able to do is upload images. And so I did have something, I thought that was right there. There it is. And so there's an image that I'm uploading, and I'm going to upload another image. And so I'm going to choose this image, and I can add a frame if I wish to, and I get all kinds of different choices. And you see there's 14 different pages, and I could choose some sort of I don't know which one. I just retro, good. And so go ahead and use that. And so Shazang, there it is. And so I'll go ahead and I'll add a frame to this. That looks good, sure. So we'll have Einstein replacing some of the students that didn't make it in the class or chose to not continue with the class. Text is something that you can choose, again, what sort of framing you want, and you're welcome to choose whichever kind you want. And so let me get that out of the way. And so I'm going to go ahead and put some information in here. This is for PHY, let's just say it was the 111 Monday class, and it could be the 111 Tuesday class or the 112 Thursday class, but make it fit your needs. And so having said that, I am going to stop the recording for a moment since I'm near the end of the screencast here, and I'll pick back up.